In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable demographics in Google Analytics 4. Understanding your audience is crucial in crafting effective marketing strategies, and demographic data plays a significant role in this. By enabling these features, you'll gain insights into user attributes like age, gender, and interests, which can greatly enhance your analytical capabilities. So, let's get started. First, we need to focus on turning on Google Signals. The journey begins in Google Analytics 4, so navigate straight to the admin section. You'll find it at the bottom left of your screen. Once you're there, look for the Property column and click on Data Settings. From here, proceed to Data Collection. This is where we activate Google Signals. Under the Google Signals Data Collection section, you should see an option to get started. Click on this, then hit Continue, and finally, the Activate button. This sequence of actions is crucial. Enabling Google Signals allows Google Analytics to pull demographic insights such as age, gender, and the interests of your users who have personalized ads enabled. This process empowers you to better tailor your content and engagement strategies to your audience's needs and preferences. Now, let's talk about the importance of patience in this process. Once you've activated Google Signals, it's important to remember that the demographic data won't be available immediately. Typically, it takes about 24 to 48 hours for the initial user data to appear and for the demographic data collection to begin its magic. During this time, Google Analytics is hard at work gathering insights, so don't worry if you don't see data populating right away. Just give it a little time. After you've allowed sufficient time for the data to gather, the next step is to publish and view your reports. Navigate back to the admin section and this time head over to the reports area, then to the library. It's here that you'll locate the user or demographics collection. Look for the menu options and select Publish. By doing this, you enable demographic cards, making the data accessible in your reports. Once again, give it another 24 to 48 hours, and then you're ready to dive into the details. When you come back to the Reports section, head over to User Attributes and select Overview. Or you could explore the Demographics section for a more detailed breakdown by going to Demographic Details. Here, you can see a detailed collection of insights that can guide you in understanding your audience's profiles better. And there you have it. With these steps, you have successfully enabled demographics in Google Analytics 4. Being armed with demographic data can significantly elevate your capability to make informed decisions and ultimately craft experiences that resonate with your audience. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insights into harnessing the full power of your analytics tools.